you had volunteered at our STEM center in Barrett, Jackson, up in the Northeast. Can you share your feedback or your experience?
Sure. I mean, first of all, it was an amazing experience. I wasn't sure what to expect. I was asked to go in and see if I could participate and represent General Motors and our college and our GM ASEP program. And I was blown away. I walked in and saw the STEM center. It was just so cool that you guys had all the different workstations set up. It was so welcoming. Parents, kids, anybody could just wander in. There were always a bunch of industry people that could talk to them and guide them over to the different displays and exhibits. And there were, the hands-on, the interactive things, from kids using an air gun or an electric gun to run lugs on and off, to practicing their response time for the drag race. I was at the station where it was guess the size of the fastener, and we had snap-on wrenches there. They could build things. There's so much I learned from it, because the single biggest problem for our college, and I think all of our colleges and our dealers right now, is the recruiting piece. And we felt like we've been on our own with recruiting. And this was the first time that I walked through an event that an organization that I'd heard of but didn't know a lot about, TechForce, had pulled together such an amazing way to catch the interest of our target demographic. And they were all very interested in what the whole STEM concept. And it was really cool to be able to talk to them about the types of careers they can have, and talk to the parents, because a lot of these folks did not realize how cool and lucrative an automotive career in any aspect can be.
What value do you see with partners coming in to support TechForce?
Is this a chance for GM to invest in something that's going to pay off for the company, for our dealership? And what I saw was magnificent exposure to our target audience, families with children, young teens, young adults that might be interested in our career, and maybe not a career, but they just saw the name. They saw the name General Motors. Being involved in something like that through TechForce, I think the reward to General Motors over time is going to be increased exposure, increased access and opportunity to our target audience. Currently, I think a dealership, a college like me, we do whatever we can. We go to open houses, career fairs, and things like that. This was the first time I've seen an organization that was willing to have any industry come in, and you're welcoming all industry partners. In this aspect, we're not competitors. We're partners in trying to provide opportunities for women, provide opportunities for education and careers for young people all over the country, and how we can all work together to support our industry, because we're competing with the other industries. We're competing with technology and computers and the military and manufacturing. This is the entire automotive industry coming together through TechForce to support ourselves. And I think that's probably what struck me the most.